Hi everybody and welcome back to my eyeshadow tutorial of the week. Today I'm doing a classic gold and green look specifically for the holidays, specifically for Christmas. This is a little more sophisticated than my first two looks, which I will link down below if you're interested. But today I'm using the Tarte Man-Eater palette. This is the original one, just so you guys know. But if you have gold and green, you are good to go. So I'm starting off with the shade Enamored, and this is just kind of like a blending shade to get me going. And then I'm taking the shade Temptress, and this is going to be my transition. I'm just going back and forth. I do have a bit of a hooded lid, so it's important if you have hooded lids to like look straight and make sure you're putting this shadow in your crease but also right above so that, you know, people can see your actual crease color because that hood usually covers it. So here I'm taking the shade Passion and again doing the same thing in the crease, right above the crease, just deepening up the look. You know the drill. And just because you have hooded lids, it does not mean you can't do a cut crease. I thought that at one point, but I kept practicing, and I actually love cut creases. I feel like it actually makes my eyes look bigger. So now moving on to the shade Alluring, I'm putting that in the crease as well, and again, in my crease, but also right above, so that people can actually see the color. I'm putting it basically on that hood, and that's a Sigma E36. It's perfect if you have small eyes, and also it's just like a very light, small blending brush. So now for the cut crease, I put concealer on my upper lash line. You look up to provide the guide. I saturate my brush so that it glides across my lid like smoothly and easily. If you do not saturate your brush, it's just gonna like drag and like kind of tug on your eyelid. So make sure there's a good amount of concealer. You can kind of like soak it up with a brush later, so don't worry about that. Again, doing the same thing to my other eye, just gliding it across. Again, saturate the tip so it just like, woo, just like a nice smooth line. Anyway, and here I am just like taking my finger and soaking up the excess concealer. So now for all over the lid, I'm using this shade. It's a really pretty gold. It's called Sundown. I'm putting it with my finger first, and then I'm going in with a little bit more of like a detailed brush and just going right over it. So now it's time for the green. I'm taking Fantasy and I'm just going to do a little wing. I'm lining my upper lash line. This does not have to be perfect because we will be going in with concealer later and cleaning everything up. So do not stress about this at all. I will show you, like mine are definitely not perfect. I'm taking the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, concealing underneath my eyes, but also sharpening that edge. Do you see how good that looks? It's gorgeous, okay? So don't be intimidated. Concealer can fix almost anything and everything. I am back to using the Givenchy PRISME LIBRE loose powder every single day. I don't know, the Dermablend, I'm taking a little break. I'm back on this one and I love it. For the lower lash line, I just took the green Fantasy and I'm lining the lower lash line from the inner corner to the outer. I didn't even like take a transition color and blend it out. I just took a clean brush and blended the green out on its own. For the brow bone, I took the shade Playful just to like brighten underneath the eyebrow, but also kind of like blend out the edges a little bit. For my lashes, guys, Kiss came out with this So Wispy curated collection. It has all their wispy lashes, so they're all different. Today I used Ritzy. Look how pretty these lashes are. You can't even tell that they're falsies. They are so freaking good. So that's all that I have for you guys today. I love this look. It's so like classy and holiday and pretty. So I hope you guys try it out. Do not be, you know, intimidated with a cut crease. You don't even have to do a cut crease. You could do like a regular look with lower lash line green. You know what I mean? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.